Meet Press Ranger, the all-in-one, award-winning PR platform. Getting your business in the news shouldn't be complicated or expensive. We make professional PR simple and affordable for everyone, from startups to Fortune 500s. Search over 2 million journalist, publisher, and podcast profiles in seconds. Use our AI-powered search to instantly find and connect with everyone who writes about businesses like yours. Distribute press releases at wholesale rates to top outlets like Business Insider, Yahoo Finance, AP News, and more. Index content directly on AI chatbots like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google Gemini. Press Ranger. Let's make headlines together.
If getting media coverage without a full-time PR team sounds too good to be true, Press Ranger's lifetime deal may change your mind. This platform makes professional media outreach feel effortless and strategic with its intelligent AI engine and massive journalist database. Press Ranger is a suite of public relations tools powered by artificial intelligence that simplifies how businesses pitch their stories. Whether you are an agency, startup, or freelancer, the platform helps you connect directly with journalists, publishers, and podcast hosts who actually cover your niche. With more than 500,000 journalist profiles, 160,000 publishers, and 200,000 podcast profiles, you can discover the perfect contacts for your story. Its smart filtering system sorts contacts by focus area, role, and even writing history. Press Ranger can generate personalized pitch emails, create press release drafts, and even build full outreach lists with little manual input. What stands out most is the automation. This tool sends you relevant journalist queries from across the web and uses scoring to tell you which ones match your brand best. You can even publish to top outlets like Business Insider, Yahoo Finance, and MarketWatch at wholesale rates, all without hiring an agency. The lifetime deal on AppSumo makes Press Ranger a hidden gem for solo founders and growing teams. You pay once and get access to a powerful public relations toolkit that would otherwise cost hundreds per month. With so many built-in features, automation tools, and campaign trackers, Press Ranger could easily replace multiple tools in your stack. If you are ready to pitch like a pro, grab the Press Ranger lifetime deal now before the price goes up or it disappears.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for lifetime deal link. Also like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more video.